The fire on the mountain. The mountain trembled, not from wind, not from quake, from presence. The Lord descended in fire, smoke like a furnace, thunder without rain, lightning without cloud. Israel stood at the base, invited to draw near, warned not to touch. Moses went up, not as a prophet, as a mediator. No bird sang, no beast stirred. The world held its breath. Then he spoke, not gently, not kindly, but as a king declaring his rule. Stone was not offered, stone was seized, cut by fire, etched by finger. 10 commands. No vote, no voice, no delay. And when Moses came down, his face burned, not from sun, from glory. This was not a sermon. This was the covenant of flame.